Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Primecables LED magnetic motion sensor light, and it has got 6 ultra bright LEDs, and it is powered by 3 AAA batteries, and they don't provide the batteries, we have to supply our own. And it has 3 variants like yellowish and cool white light, and it comes with user manual and 2 adhesive tape. One is for the metal surfaces and other one for the wall. And backplate is removable to slot in the batteries. And when we place the batteries and apply this motion sensor light on the surface, then it lights up whenever there is motion recognized. Thanks for watching.